Taxes can be a grind. Canadians pay all sorts of taxes. Some taxes are well known, some are less visible, but they all add up. The average Canadian will pay approximately 44% of its income in taxes. If you had to pay all your taxes up front, you'd essentially work for the government every day from January 1st to early April just to pay your tax bill, before you finally start earning income for yourself. The Canadian tax code could be one of the most complex systems in the history of mankind. When we file our taxes, we hope to get some of this money back in the form of a tax refund each year. However, there are deductions that we are eligible to claim based on our personal circumstance that are sometimes missed, and this oversight is repeated every year, and the missed refunds keep piling up. But there's hope. There's a little-known secret that allows you to reclaim those missed refunds. By law, the Canada Revenue Agency, the CRA, allows you to adjust your taxes for the last 10 years. Tax preparers typically review only the current year's tax return. But we look much deeper into the past, a full 10 years, and with perfect hindsight, we seek every opportunity within the confines of the Tax Act to benefit you and your family. Here at Personal Banker, our mission is to assist as many of the 24 million tax-paying Canadians as possible with an in-depth 10-year tax review that is free unless a refund is issued.